What's the meaning of compulsion? Compulsion. Compulsion.
Compulsion. Compulsion. Compulsion refers to the act of forcing oneself or others to do something, even if it is against their will. It can also refer to a strong and irresistible urge to do something, even if it is not necessarily healthy or beneficial. The result of compulsion can be damaging, as it often leads to feelings of guilt, shame, and anxiety, and can even have negative consequences on one's physical and mental health. Therefore, it is important to recognize and address any compulsive behaviors in order to maintain a healthy and fulfilling life.